Picture this: a family beach escape. Kids chasing waves, your dad manning the grill, buddies roaring over the game. You're cracking a cold one, living the moment until you see her. Your wife, Sarah, slips into the dusk, her phone glowing with a stranger's name. That secret smile she flashes, it's a dagger to your chest. Brother, your heart's a battlefield and you're not alone. That's Jake's war, and maybe yours. Welcome to Stoic Reign, where Stoic philosophy tears the veil off how women cheat without a trace and arms you to forge unbreakable loyalty. Not with pleas, but with raw power. In a haze of buzzing phones and fading vows, Stoicism's your sword to carve trust, slay fear, and rule love. Can Jake save his family? Stick with me, because what Jake's about to uncover will change everything. This journey will reforge your soul, your strength, and your reign. You can't look away. Stoicism for women is your fortress when her hidden texts threaten to break you. Musonius Rufus roared, "Command your spirit, and no betrayal can shatter you." Today's chaos, endless group chats, tailgate distractions, rips at your bond. But Stoicism for beginners hands you the reins to lead through hell with 7 brutal truths, fresh Stoic wisdom, and battle-forged exercises. You'll ignite fire, reclaim your edge, and master your fate. Stoicism for women demands the man who feels the blade, watches her slip, and rises a king. Let's fight Jake's war and forge your own. First, why do women cheat? Stoicism for women lays it bare. It's not lust like men chase. It's a slow bleed in her heart. Sarah sat alone on that beach, her sighs drowned by Jake's laughter with his buddies. Jake replayed every missed glance, wondering when Sarah stopped being his. She found solace in a stranger's texts, someone who saw her. Heracles warned, "A soul ignored hunts its own flame." Social media's a siren. DMs, likes, whispering she's enough. Jake thought beers and barbecues kept Sarah close, but her heart was starving. Stoicism demands you spot her silent cries. Are you blind to her, brother? Journal a moment you missed her light. How do you stop her drift before it's too late? Second, what are the warning signs? Stoicism for women screams, silence isn't calm. It's a warning shot. When Sarah stopped joking at the bonfire, her eyes cold as the night, Jake's gut twisted, recalling her stare. Had he lost her already? Her silence was a siren, blaring she was gone. Aristo of Chios growled, "A heart's quiet is its loudest rebellion." She skips your touch, ignores your plans. Not a phase, but a fracture. Her phone's glow hides her retreat. Jake missed Sarah's chill, blaming the trip. Stoicism begs, is she still in this fight? Right when she turned distant, can you spark her fire? Or is she already lost? Third, why don't women get caught? Stoicism for women crafts masters of shadow. Sarah's texts flew under Jake's nose. She poured her dreams into another man during a sunset stroll, her smile unchanged. Musonius Rufus thundered, "The soul's secrets dance in open light." Unlike men's sloppy mistakes, late calls, dumb lies, she's a chess master. Encrypted apps, he's just a friend. Cloaker moves. She tells herself, Jake doesn't care. Her heart left months ago, invisible, until Jake glimpsed her screen. Stoicism sharpens your gut. Feel her shift, brother. List a time she felt wrong. Can you catch her before she's gone? Fourth, how does cheating hit men? Brother, when Jake saw Sarah's texts, it wasn't just a lie, it was a bomb, blasting his manhood to ash. Was I ever enough? He choked, staring at the ocean. Heracles cursed. The mind scars bleed where no one sees. The world laughs. Suck it up, man. But Stoic philosophy cradles your pain. Jake drove home, gutted, Sarah asleep beside him, while shame burned. No bros to lean on, just work to drown it. Stoicism commands, feel the fire but don't let it own you. Journal when betrayal broke you. Will Jake crumble or rise? Keep watching. 5th, can a relationship survive cheating? Stoicism for women forces you to face the wreckage. Jake cornered Sarah after the trip. Her sobs were real, but trust was dust. Aristo of Chios vowed, truth forges what passion destroys. Some, like Jake, claw back, but love's not enough. You need raw honesty. Why did she stray? Iron boundaries? No secrets? No games? Time's a slow healer. Jake's doubts haunted him. Social media's noise, work's grind, test your grit. Stoicism demands, is she fighting for you? Right when trust cracked. Can Jake and Sarah rebuild? Or is it over? 6th, how do you prevent cheating? Stoicism for women. Hungers for your presence, not your leash. Jake learned to hear Sarah's heart, not bark orders, stealing her away for a beachside dance under the stars. Musonius Rufus declared, a man's strength pulls hearts to his banner. Today's haze, scrolling phones, routine ruts, kills sparks. Stay sharp, flirt like you just met, lead with steel. Your heart's a prize, not a giveaway. Stoicism owns your fire. Does she revere you, brother? List when you faded. How do you chain her soul like Jake fights for? 7th, how do you make her loyal? Stoicism for women bows to men who blaze, not beg. Jake carved his path. Gym, goals, purpose. And Sarah chose him, not out of duty, but awe. Hierocles swore, a mighty soul anchors what it loves. In a storm of fleeting likes and endless options, loyalty's a battlefield. Led with vision, set lines, never chase. Jake became Sarah's king, not her shadow. Her eyes locked on him alone. Stoicism for women is the man who takes the hit, stands taller, and commands worship. Are you her anchor? Journal when you faltered. How did Jake win Sarah's heart? Now, lock in these truths with 5 battle-forged Stoicism exercises to reforge your reign, crafted for brothers mastering Stoicism for women. These steps sharpen your edge, cut fear, and draw her loyalty. First, see her soul. Every night, right? I see her. Note one moment she felt unseen, like Sarah's sigh at the beach. Jake wrote, her quiet broke my heart. This Stoicism exercise builds awareness. Do it daily. Second, feel the fire. Before bed, say, I own my pain. Write a time betrayal stung, like Jake's ocean stare. He wrote, her texts burned, but I stood tall. This Stoicism practice tames shame. Try it nightly. Third, sharpen your gut. List 3 signs she drifted, say, my instincts lead. Note one you missed, like her cold eyes. Jake wrote, her silence screamed. This fuels Stoicism motivation. Do it weekly. Fourth, forge presence. Pause before reacting. Say, I'm her king. Note a time you showed up, like Jake's dance. He wrote, stars lit her smile. This deepens Stoicism relationships. Try it daily. Fifth, command loyalty. Write one way you'll lead. Say, I'm her anchor. Note a bold act, like Jake's purpose. He wrote, my grind won her awe. This strengthens trust. Do it when she wavers. Brother, you're halfway to forging unbreakable loyalty. Stoicism for women feels your fire rising. Write I am Stoic in the comments to join our brotherhood, battling for Stoic philosophy. Keep forging your reign. Imagine now, Sarah's eyes lock on you, her phone dark because you're her king. Stoicism for women craves the man who masters these 7 truths. Why she cheats, warning signs, her shadow moves, your pain, survival, prevention, loyalty. Musonius Rufus said, command your spirit and no betrayal can shatter you. These Stoicism lessons, rooted in Stoic wisdom, build strength, motivation, and trust. In a world of fading vows, your Stoic Reign is your sword. Start the first exercise tonight. Then write "I am Stoic" in the comments to stand with brothers forging Stoicism for women. Share this with a friend, spreading Stoic fire. Your reign starts now. Be Stoic. Be her king.